Okay, another creation. So, choker lang guys ang ginawa ko nito. Chanali. Oh, medyo mayroon akong na mali dito. Naman siya mapansin. There we go. Have a wonderful day. So, ayan. Ang ating jewelry of the day. So, ang ating jewelry is blue siya. O, diba? Skylove creation. Have a wonderful day, everyone. God bless. Thank you, Lord, for all the blessing. Thank you for the skills that you give me. Cute siya. Like that. So pretty. I really like this. It's a choker, guys. Choker is ready to wear. Ayan. Amazing.